Okay, so you clicked on this video because you're wanting to see a tear off on a commercial roof. Well, you came to the right video. In this video, we're actually showing a tear off of a PVC roofing system over the top of a EPDM system, and we're actually installing a new TPO right over the top of it. Let's get started. So if you're a subscriber to the channel, thanks a lot for coming back. We really appreciate you guys coming back and watching more videos. If you're new to the channel, my name's Blenkinsopp. I'm the owner of a company called Digital Roofing Innovations. I'm a U.S. military veteran. I'm a licensed general contractor and roofing contractor in over 9 states. So I'm actually on a project right now in Denver, Colorado with Skyguard. Skyguard is owned by 2 of the guys I've served with in the Navy. Their name's Chase Barron and Sean Smith. They wanted to see if I wanted to come out and video while they were doing this project. And it's perfect project for showing a lot about commercial roofing. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about exactly what we have going on here and what they're actually going to be going back with on this project. So as you can see, this is a PVC system that they started to pull up here, and underneath this you have a underlayment, and then you actually have your EPDM here. Now the interesting thing about this project and this roof is you have your fiberboard, and underneath it here is just directly to decking. Now, if you guys have done commercial roofing in the past, you know you have to achieve an R30 value. Well, on this particular project, even though there's no ISO board right now, there is a layer of insulation underneath the decking that goes over the entire roof. So they're going to be using a tapered ISO board system, and then they're going to be going back with their fiberboard, and then they're actually going with TPO over the top. So this is not going to be the same system that's installed. It is a new system. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it before I show you some of the shots of them actually tearing this off. So here we have PVC, okay? Here we have underlayment. Here we have EPDM. And then here's the fiberboard. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of showing you how we're doing a tear off on a commercial roofing project. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel a lot. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, here's my official invitation for you guys to subscribe. So just click that button below. Always at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.